Welcome back. Today we are going to fix KMC40E8100 LED TV with mainboard TP.VST.59.P75. With the mainboard power supply shorted and dead. No power, no backlight, no graphics, no sound, no LED. Complete dead. This mod or fix is applicable for any TV using same mainboard dead condition and backlight issue with backlight driver.
For removing the short circuit, desolder the 4 pins from the transformer connecting to the cold side of the main board, and add a 24V 2.5 amp power supply to power the main board. Even 12V power supply can do the job, but for better backlight we here use a 24V power supply with a backlight inverter circuit, as the main board needs only 12 volts to work and over voltage may damage the main board. We used an adjustable voltage controller in between to the main board. Even a 7812 voltage regulators can do the job, as we are not using onboard backlight LED driver, as the main board only issues a few milliamps only. Connection to the backlight inverter can be taken from the points labeled inverter. Backlight on-off and backlight adjustment connections are labeled underneath the main board. Just insert the correct wires to correct terminal as mentioned in the backlight inverter module, and for VCC connect direct 24V from power supply.